Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about 27-inch 500Hz gaming monitor. So friend, MSI has introduced MPG 272QR QD-OLED 500Hz gaming monitor with 1440p resolution. So friend, this monitor uses a DisplayPort 2.1a providing 2.5 times higher bandwidth than DisplayPort 1.4a. So friend, the model is feature 1440p resolution and a high refresh rate of 500 Hz, and additionally it supports display HDR True Black 500, and unlike than other model which support True Black 400. So friend, this monitor is faster and it's certified by VESA ClearMR 21000 and the newest standard announced earlier this week, and MSI confirmed it has a 250 nits of brightness in HDR mode and 550 nits in HDR mode and peak brightness of 1000 nits, and it supports variable refresh rate ranging from 48 Hz to 500 Hz, and it's comfortable with adaptive sync. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.